I know I'm looking rather ghostly at the moment, but there's a reason for that. We are going to be trying out the new Jaclyn Cosmetics, the Warmth Depth Shine collection. I did get one of each in the collection. They came out today. It's a bronzer, a highlight, and a lip oil. We're going to be testing them out and seeing how they perform. I don't really own a lot of Jaclyn Cosmetics products, but this really intrigued me. I really love a nice bronzer and a highlight, so let's test these out. Welcome back to my channel. If you love makeup as much as I do, then you're in the right place. My name is Kara and I test new products so you don't have to. So hopefully you stick around, and if you like seeing new products tested before purchasing them, make sure you subscribe to my channel and click that little bell that's gonna notify you when I upload videos. So again, Jaclyn Cosmetics came out with her new Warmth Depth Shine collection. There are bronzers, highlighters, and lip oils to choose from right now on her website. If you buy 3 products in that collection, you can save 10% by using the code SHINE. These products are also available on Ulta's website, which I will link everything down below. So the first product we're going to talk about is the Pout Drip Hydrating Lip Oil. This is the packaging that the lip oil is going to come in. It's just your typical plain black box with gold lettering. And then here is the lip oil. It comes in 10 shades. It's $20, and the shade I got is Maple Drip, which is considered a sheer warm neutral. These have an 18-month shelf life and they're made in the USA. And then here is what the applicator looks like. It's a pretty big doe foot applicator. And then here is the swatch of Maple Drip. On the website, it says that you can wear this on its own, or you can wear it over top of lipstick just to give you more of a glossy look. So this has antioxidants and emollients that are gonna make your lips appear smoother. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to apply this on its own. I do have like a little bit of lip liner on, but I'm gonna zoom in a little bit and then we'll just apply this. So here's with the lip oil on. It is very creamy. It really is. And I love that when you put your lips together, it's not like sticky and like other lip oils can be. This right now it's really, really nice feeling. So we're gonna leave this on throughout the duration of the video, and we're gonna see how long this is gonna last. The next product we're gonna talk about is the Sun Bathe Pressed Bronzer. This is the packaging that the Sun Bathe Pressed Bronzer is gonna come in. There are 10 shades of this, and this goes for $32. And then here is the bronzer compact. It is actually brown. It has a gold letter J on the front. And then here is the back that just shows you what shade you got, the shelf life, which is 12 months. And then on the inside of the compact, you do have a nice big mirror. The shade I got is Vitamin D. Here is the shade on the finger. And then here is the swatch. Now the bronzer is supposed to be buildable. It's supposed to give you a matte finish, and it smells like a sweet toffee coffee type scent. It actually smells really nice. It's not overpowering. I don't know if you're going to be able to smell it when you put it on, but let's try it out. So I zoomed you in. I'm going to use my favorite brush for bronzer, which is the Charlotte Tilbury Bronzer and Blusher brush. And I don't know how pigmented this is, so we're just going to kind of dab in, and you can see a little bit. Let's see, a little powdery, nothing crazy. Let's apply. All right, so what I like is that it doesn't go on heavy. I tend to be heavy-handed, and I like a bronzer that you can build up because I don't want to tend to go in too much. But look at that. I think that is really, really nice. And as applying this, I do smell the toffee smell, but that's only because I'm smelling it on the brush. But applied, I don't smell anything. So let's do the other side. This really goes on nicely and it's very easy to blend. So this is going to be a nice bronzer for someone that is beginning to try bronzers or is having a hard time applying them. This is going to be a nice bronzer to try out. All right, so the bronzer's applied. I think it looks really nice. I actually really like this. It's really, really pretty. I kind of had a hard time choosing my shade because I like a medium type bronze, but I think Vitamin D was a really, really, really good choice. I'm gonna go throw some blush on real quick before we get into the highlighter. All right, blush is on. So now we're gonna check out the Reflective Light Putty Highlighter. So here's the box for the highlighter. It's the same type box that the bronzer came in. Now here is the highlighter. The packaging is quite different from the other packaging from the bronzer. It is more cardboard and actually feels a little bit more cheaper than her other products. Here's the inside. You do get a nice mirror. This is called Star Power, which is a glazed rose. Now I will say that this highlighter is super, super soft. Here it is on the finger. And then there is the swatch. Yeah, so a little disappointed with the packaging on the highlighter. Her other products, at least what I have, they're more luxe and heavy, and this packaging is just cardboard. So I don't know. We'll just have to see how the product is. I guess packaging isn't everything. It's more or less how the product's going to perform. Now, this is a putty highlighter. It does go for $29. There are 4 shades to choose from, and it also has a 12-month shelf life. Now, what the site says about the highlighter, it says it's a unique blend of pearls with a buildable finish. It has a soft texture, which it absolutely does, and metallic powder that melts into the skin for a wet finish effect. So this also can go over top of powder and cream products without disrupting the makeup underneath. I do not have any cream products on my face, so we're just going to apply this over the powder products I have. Let me zoom you in. So the brush I'm going to use to apply the highlighter is my Sigma F03 brush, and I'm just going to, I guess, go in with my brush. All right, so going in with a brush, it is nice. It's not very reflective and bright. So now obviously you're going to get a subtle sheen from the highlighter using a brush or sponge. If you use your fingers, you're supposed to get a high watt type shine. That's what we're going to do on this side. So I'm just going to take my finger and put it on like that and then dab it on. Oh yeah, that's a lot different than the brush. Oh my god, that is bling shiny. Holy crap. That is crazy. Oh my goodness. Woo, that is shiny. So yeah, so the cardboard packaging, not a big deal. I'm gonna go over with my sponge, but look at that. Oh my goodness. So that's just for my fingers, and then this side with the brush. So I mean, it looks beautiful with the brush and it looks beautiful with the fingers, but it is loud with your fingers. Holy moly. Now, the highlighter is definitely going to show some texture. You can absolutely see the texture that I have right there. So if you're not a big fan of texture and you like more blurring products, this probably isn't going to be for you. But if you don't mind having a little bit of texture, or showing a little bit of your texture, because we all have it, then this is going to be a beautiful product. You can go in lightly, which still shows some of the texture, or you can make it like, you know, high velocity and, you know, be bling bling and show a lot of texture, and it's going to look beautiful. Nobody cares about your texture. but I did want to mention that this is not going to be something that's blurring, and it's going to show your texture, but it's a beautiful highlighter. I actually really like the highlight. I don't think I'd be going in with my fingers too much. I do think, though, it would look really nice. Let me see. We're going to try it out. I think it would look really nice, especially being in summertime, you know, putting a little bit of the highlight on your body. But now, see, it's meh. Well, yeah, okay. But yeah, so that looks cute. Make you be shining when you go to the beach, right? Yeah, that looks really nice. I like the highlighter. I do. Don't like the packaging, but I like the highlighter. The bronzer. I actually really like this bronzer. It smells really nice, and it actually looks really good too. I had no problems blending it out. Packaging is adorable. I think this is a great bronzer. The lip oil. The lip oil actually lasted throughout the video. I've been sitting here for maybe about 30-45 minutes, and it's still there. I'm gonna try something. I'm gonna take it off. I'm gonna put some lipstick on and then put it over top of the lipstick, and then we'll see what it looks like. All right, so I'm just gonna put on some Natasha Denona I Need a Rose lipstick in Calla. And then we will put the lip oil over top and see how that looks. That actually looks really nice. I like that. I love that this has some color. It basically kind of, if you wear a bare, it kind of brings your lip color out and make it look shinier. And then it also looks really nice on top of lipstick. I think the lip oil is a really, really good choice. This is a really nice collection that Jaclyn Cosmetics came out with. I wish the packaging was a little bit different on the highlighter, but the highlighter is really, really nice, really, really soft. Again, the bronzer, I love the compact. I love the packaging of it. The smell is great, and the product is great. And again, the lip oil. It's awesome. So I will link these products down below. I will link them to the Jaclyn Cosmetics website. I will link them on the Ulta website because you can get these products on both. But again, on the Jaclyn Cosmetics website, they are having a deal where you buy 3 products, and they don't have to be one of each. You could buy 3 bronzers, 3 highlighters, 3 lip oils, 3 of whatever in the entire collection. You'll save 10% by using the code SHINE. I don't know how long that promotion is going on for, so if you're interested in something like that, make sure you go check it out now before they run out. But I do know that on the Jaclyn Cosmetics website, they are out of a lot of shades, especially in the lip oil. That is kind of a bummer, but who knows? Go check it out. So that's it for today's video. Again, I will link everything down in the description box below. I will also link everything that I'm wearing on my face. Make sure you subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I hope to see y'all again soon.